Is Galway worth visiting outside of the Galway International Oyster and Seafood Festival? Is Galway worth visiting outside of the Galway International Oyster and Seafood Festival? Let's take a closer look at what this vibrant city has to offer beyond its famous seafood celebration. Galway is a lively city located in Western Ireland, known for its rich cultural heritage and stunning scenery. While the Galway International Oyster and Seafood Festival is a highlight, there is so much more to enjoy throughout the year. First, let's talk about culture and history. Galway is filled with historical sites that tell the story of its past. The Galway City Museum is a fantastic place to start. It is located near the Spanish Arch and offers a fascinating introduction to the city's history. Just a short walk away, you can visit the Hall of the Red Earl, an excavated medieval building that gives you a glimpse into Galway's medieval era. If you love music, you are in for a treat. Galway is famous for its traditional Irish music sessions. You can find live music in many of its pubs all year round. The atmosphere is warm and inviting, making it a perfect way to experience local culture. Now, let's not forget about the breathtaking natural beauty surrounding Galway. Connemara National Park is a must-visit for nature lovers. It offers stunning landscapes and hiking opportunities. The Wild Atlantic Way, a scenic coastal route, provides breathtaking views of the ocean. If you take a drive along the Skye Road near Clifton, you will be treated to some of the most beautiful coastal scenery in Ireland. Another gem is Kylemore Abbey, which features beautiful gardens and a romantic history. It is a perfect spot for a peaceful day out. When it comes to food, Galway does not disappoint. While the Oyster and Seafood Festival showcases the city's seafood, the culinary scene is vibrant all year long. You can find a variety of local dishes in many restaurants. Fresh seafood is always on the menu, and the city's pubs offer a wide selection of Irish beers and whiskies, along with a warm welcome. Galway also hosts a variety of festivals throughout the year. The Galway Arts Festival, the Galway Film Fleadh, and the Court International Festival of Literature are just a few examples. These events add to the lively atmosphere and provide entertainment for every interest. So, is Galway worth visiting outside of the Galway International Oyster and Seafood Festival? Absolutely. With its unique blend of culture, natural beauty, and lively atmosphere, Galway is a compelling destination for travelers at any time of the year. Whether you are interested in history, nature, food, or festivals, Galway has something special waiting for you.